Hello, I am Muhammad Shamat Mia. Today I'm going to teach you how to use constraint in SQL command. So at first, I have already make a table. I am going to show that. For this, I have already uh, a statement with comment section. I'm just going to enable this for query. So I have this table. The table name of this student info here is ID name, roll name, class, department, mobile home mobile number, test. Those are some several columns. So I'm going to add my a constraint. So here I'm writing a query. So I have to use alter table name student info. Then I have to use add constraint, and now I have to give a name for constraint. There is too many constraint in SQL, like as a primary key, foreign key, like this constraint default, like this constraint. We can use what you need actually in query. So I'm going to use a primary key. So what is the primary key? So at first I need to use a primary key name, like as pick a taste. So what is the primary key? We have to use a primary key to make records uniquely. So if we want to use every record with uniquely, so we have to use primary key. So here is our primary key name, our um, constraint name, and here we have to mention what type or which one we are going to use, primary key or foreign key. Here will be primary key, primary, primary key, and I have to select some column names in here. So I can use here just one single columns or multiple columns. What we want, we can use in here in this first bracket. Actually, first parenthesis with programming language, we have to use this word first parenthesis, not first bracket. Yep. So I'm going to use in here ID. Yeah, the ID will be perfect. So if I want, I can use here so many columns, what you need, like as um, roll, roll long or something. Actually, actually, I can use in here uh, mobile home or home mobile number. So I'm not going to use those column names because I have to update those column names, and I will show you how can we update our column names. My after videos, I will teach you that. So, and when I will execute that, the command completed successfully. Okay, so I don't need now those. Like this way we can. So our primary key have already created. We can check that from here. So our table name was student info. So primary keys will be constraint will be in here. Oh, sorry. So our constraint, new constraint uh, will be in here keys. So pick a test. So our primary key name was pick a test, and from here our pick a test has already created. So like this we can use this statement with alter, and the keyword will be constraint, add constraint, and after we have to mention the constraint name, and then we have to mention the constraint type, like as foreign key or primary key, or then we have to make sure which column we have to be used with constraint, like this. Bye, and I'm wishing you that all people will be enjoy my next video. Thank you for watching.